All it takes is one form, and you can automate so much. Introducing Zapier Forms. Use Copilot to build your form with natural language. And Copilot will build it in seconds. But here's what makes things different. When someone fills out the form, the data doesn't just sit, waiting. With Zapier, the lead gets put into a table, and a Zap is set up to automatically send it down different paths with conditional logic, connect to 8,000 different apps instantly, and assign the lead to the right rep. After Copilot builds you the form, just tell it to take action. And you get a fully automated workflow that started with one form. Here's what we found at Zapier. Most users are starting with a form. They're simple to build, simple to share, but they can run complex automated workflows behind the scenes. So take a request form for changes to a website. Someone fills out the form and submits the request. Then an automated workflow can use AI to categorize, summarize the request, add it to your queue, and then send out an email notification so that you are aware. There's no per submission pricing, so these forms scale, and they're included on every Zapier plan at no extra charge.